Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Now we have some huge news that just released from Apple with their Keynote event where they released a new M4 chip and then they also released their new iPads. And so during that event there was some leaked news that could potentially reveal that they are partnering with a cryptocurrency, and so I have proof of that in this video. I'm going to be sharing that with you. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you're interested in signing up for a new trading platform, there is links to CoinW and MEXC underneath the video. Now if you sign up using the link underneath the video for CoinW, you can get access to a free trading group led by professional traders, so definitely make sure to check that out. And so let's go ahead and jump right into the video here. And so as I mentioned here, there was an Apple Keynote event today where they announced their Apple M4 chip, and then they also had redesigned iPad Air in 2 sizes. So they did release some new items there. However, throughout the event there was a bombshell released that I think is massive for the cryptocurrency space. And so let's go ahead and dig deeper into that here. Let's take a look at the largest companies in the entire world here. So we can see that Microsoft is number 1 with a $3 trillion market cap. And the second largest company here is Apple, $2.8 trillion. And so if there's a cryptocurrency out there that is working with Apple, that shows that Apple has vetted them out, they believe in what they are doing, and Apple has a very strong following, right? And so if Apple believes that that cryptocurrency is very powerful, then that definitely shows that there's a ton of potential for this cryptocurrency to do extremely well. And so let's go ahead and take a look at that here. The cryptocurrency I'm talking about today is Render. I've talked about this in the past in multiple videos. I've been talking about this since it was under $2. It is now trading above $10. However, I still think there's a ton of potential for this, while it is currently trading just above a $4 billion market cap. And so we can see this did spike up to above $13. Since then, we did pull back with Bitcoin. There was a good opportunity here around $7. And since then, we have pumped back up above $10. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the Keynote event here. A clip here showing where Render is mentioned in the video. Now, Apple decided to put this in the video, right? This was not a paid promotion. And so out of all the applications that are out there for Apple to choose, if they chose Render, that definitely shows where they are heading in the AI space. And so let's go ahead and check this out.
Dynamic caching and brings hardware accelerated mesh shading and ray tracing to iPad for the first time. So games like Diablo Immortal look fantastic, and pro rendering apps like Octane will flat out flop.
So we can see here Octane, right, is also utilizing Render. We can see the Render symbol there in the iPad Pro that is being released now with the M4 chip. It may make it capable of using Render, and so this is what they've been working on for a very long time. We have seen this in previous keynotes, and now it is being mentioned again here. And so this is massive for Render moving forward. And to provide even more proof of Render working with Apple here, we have the CEO of Render and Otoy on Telegram here mentioning that working with our engineering counterparts on this for a long time, M4 iPad will be a powerful, super energy efficient node. And so with the upgrade to the M4 chip, there is possibility that Render could be running a node on the iPad, and so this is definitely something that's very beneficial for Render moving forward. As you can see here as well, they have API to keep the device GPU working well in the background is one element. And so this could run in the background. We also have Apple is aware of the entire ecosystem. The visuals in the Apple Keynote running in our app were made by the Apple team themselves. And so if the Apple team has chosen to utilize the Render app for their Keynote event, I think that is saying something, right? There is thousands, if not millions of different apps that they could utilize for their Keynote event. And one of those apps that they chose was Render. And so this is very, very powerful. Now, as I mentioned, Apple is one of the largest companies in the world. Now, they might be working with other companies as well, right? They don't have to just be dedicated to working with Apple. They might be working with Microsoft. They could be working with other companies out there as well, selling their technology, which will continue to increase the price of Render. So this is definitely something to be paying attention to. Even though Render may look expensive, since it is up substantially over the last year, right? It reached a new all-time high a couple of months ago. However, currently trading at $10, I think this could easily go into triple digits over the next 12 to 16 months. And so this is definitely something to be paying attention to. And this is a very bullish indicator for Render moving forward, as there is possibility that they're going to start integrating this into iPads moving forward. Now, think about it. There's not many cryptocurrencies out there in the real world that are partnering with these sizes of companies, right? And so we don't see a lot of cryptocurrencies saying that they're working with Nvidia, saying that they are working with Microsoft, right? And now Apple has not come out and said that they are working with Render. However, they are integrating this into their iPads. You can see that they are working with the team with the M4 chip to be able to generate nodes using the iPad software and the M4 chip. And so this is definitely something that I like to see for this cryptocurrency. And so in addition to this, we also have another event coming up as well. This is going to be coming up in June, and this is going to be very bullish for AI cryptocurrencies, including Render as well. And so we have Apple that's going to announce its big annual conference where it could reveal its AI strategy. And so this WWDC event will be taking place June 10th through June 14th, and so we are about 1 month out from that. And so at this year's conference, Apple could reveal its long-awaited artificial intelligence strategy and consumer features. And so this is where they could come out and say, hey, we are partnering with Render. It is official. And so this is definitely something that you should be paying attention to, as they are providing a lot of these hints throughout their keynotes and the release of their products. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content, and let me know in the comment section underneath the video if you are bullish on Render. If you're not bullish on Render, I'd be interested to know. Now, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.